Assalamualaikum. This is Shoaib Haq. I'm a student. I study at IUBAT, International University of Business and Technology. Here we are present for promoting the business like Genius business. This is a selling and buying site. These are connected with Amazon.
Good evening all. I'm a student of IUBAT and currently in internship. We have gathered here to discuss about a specific thing, Genius. So I want to say 5 years ago, 10 years ago, if we think about a product that we want to buy anytime, that cannot be possible just from the phone. We have to go there, we have to buy the product and sell it to people. But nowadays, whenever we want something from somewhere, we can just go through our phone and check it and buy these products easily. This is what e-commerce is. And the company, Genius, is actually doing the same thing for us. Now, as we have gathered here, like 20 members, so if we think about a specific group, how come the group will be bigger? Because when the 20 people will gather somewhere and do something, and then people will know about that, so they will have the idea of these things, so they will be interested to do that. By this way, if one by one we go to somebody and we should show them that Genius is trying to make a thing bigger, so that by this way, if one by one we go to somebody and we should show them that Genius is trying to make a thing bigger, so that after a few days we can see a big thing and our company can launch easily. So Genius is trying with us to make a very good impact, so that we can share our own thoughts to them, and this is how the company can be bigger. And as we all know about the e-commerce things, they actually buy and sell. They are easily very much engaged with Amazon. So they are engaged with Amazon, so they're gonna get the product from there and they will sell it to other people. And we are the ones who can tell people these are the things we can do. We can do the marketing, and this is how the thing will be in a good way, so that we can learn, we can earn, and we can help the others to earn from that platform. So this is what Genius is. This is what the Genius International Company is, and I'm very much glad that we are here from the Genius. And thank you so much for the man behind the team, Mehdi Bhai and Shoaib Haq, for managing those and technology. Thank you all. We sell and sell the products in the online, and it is a platform of we buying and selling on site, and this is and the many we profit when we money to at the company and site, and we profit there.
Hello all, I am Engineer Hussain Mehdi Hassan, the leader of Genius International Company. কোম্পানির কারণে আমরা ডিসিশন নিতে সহজ হয় যে আমরা কোনটা নিলে আমাদের জন্য ভালো হবে। আর এটা যেহেতু ইন্টারন্যাশনাল একটা প্ল্যাটফর্ম, এই ইন্টারন্যাশনাল প্ল্যাটফর্ম হওয়ার কারণে আমরা আরো ভালো ফ্যাসিলিটি নিতে পারবো। এটা হচ্ছে একটা সেলিং অ্যান্ড বাইং সাইট, এটা অ্যামাজনের সাথে কানেক্টেড আছে। খুব শীঘ্রই সেলিং অ্যান্ড বাইং প্রজেক্টটা লঞ্চ করবে। বিশ্বের বিভিন্ন দেশে শুরু হয়ে গেছে, বাংলাদেশে এই প্রথম।
আছে মাইনিং আছে, আরো অনেক কিছু আছে। তো এখন ওদের যে টার্গেট হচ্ছে যে